What do you think, guys? Hi, Jesus. Jesus. Oh God.
If this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, you're welcome to the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, my G, thank you so much for always supporting this girl. So,
I'm trying to tell you what happened to me. See me rejoicingly going to make my hair at my stylist place. See me jubilating that my hair is thriving, that my hair is growing, unlike what it used to be. See the happiness. Only for me to carry razor blade and cut my hair. Listen. Hey, Jesus, a favor. Oh. Hi. Hi. Hi, Jesus. Hi.
this is really terrible. I'm not happy at all. This one pain me. How could I have done such a thing? Please, guys, anything that will make razor blade to go near your hair, run away, or scissors. Even when you go to your stylist or you go to a salon or whatever you're doing, whether you're the one doing it yourself, please avoid sharp objects to avoid you losing your hair, just like I did. Yes, to avoid you losing your hair, please, I am begging. So that you won't lose the hair that you are looking for, or you are working so hard to grow, so you don't lose it. Don't forget to give me a like so that this video will get to more people. Don't forget to keep subscribing to the channel in order to support me. Let's grow together, and share the video. Leave me a comment in the comment section.
What is this now? Ye me camera dra the sharp ko video dra the sharp ka camera. She so say yeah wo favor bomo. Maybe girl you shadra ka for don't mind. You have to smile for the ground. Yes, you smile for the ground. Finally, oh my hair. Oh, come for a bangwati. Yes. This is the final look of the Favor Beauty and Cosmetic. Yes. Today, can I have a company? You see how beautiful I'm looking, From Favor Beauty International Cosmetic. What do you think, guys? Mwah. Hey, then go here, Rambo.